kind viewer, welcome to our Globe to be amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, a long-standing debate about the evolutionary origin of the world's most widely cultivated magic mushroom. Yeah, psilocybe cuinis may now have been settled by scientists from southern Africa and the United States. In a paper published in the journal Proceedings of the Royal Society of Biological Science, yeah, they describe the discovery of a new species of magic mushroom, psilocybe or Ceocentria from the grassland of South Africa and Zimbabwe. So named because of the ochre yellow color at the center of the mushroom cap. P or Carisciocentrata alastro, a common ancestor with P. cubenensis approximately 1.5 million years ago. So this is contrary to the prevailing view that P. cubenensis was inadvertently introduced to the Americas when cattle were introduced to the continents from Africa and Europe in the 1500 AD. So P. cubenensis was first described from Cuba in 1906. Bariton van der Merwe, a mycologist and PhD student in chemical engineering at Stellenbosch University, says even though the two species look similar, but they have different genetic and ecological and chemical traits. He is one of the co-author on the paper. He says the findings shed a new light on the wild origins of domesticated P. cubenensis and provides new genetic resources for research on psychedelic mushrooms. P. or Carsiocentrata has been cultivated around the world for many years under the name NSS, which stands for Natal Super Strength or Transkai. Viewers, it is one of the most popular strains of magic mushrooms because it is quite potent and easy to grow. But until this study, nobody realized it was a totally separate species from the classic magic mushroom, he explained. Working with Dr. Alexander Bradshaw from Clark University, Professor Brian Dentingor from the University of Utah in the US, Dr. Keaton Tremble from Duke University, and Dr. Kathy Schroep from the Natural History Museum of Zimbabwe. They used DNA extracted from collections across southern Africa and historic type specimens to conduct multi-locus phylogenetic analysis, molecular clock dating, and ecological niche modeling. Dr. Schroep found some of the first specimens of P. or Carsio-centrata in Zimbabwe back in 2013 to date. However, Africa remains heavily undersampled for fungal diversity. In the article titled Discovery of the Closest Free Living Relative of the Domesticated Magic Mushroom Psilocybe cubenensis in Africa, the team suggests several possible scenarios for when and how the species diverged so many millions of years ago. We have the exclusive report.